go.
Alright, so they're running near comp.
What's a good bit rate for a recording?
I don't know.
Me neither. It's at 50 megabits per second.
They're running near comps, double snipers. I chose the comp this time. Let's see who can play it better.
Wait, did you bomb both of their channels and go, alright guys,
Yep.
let's go sniper comp, but you didn't
Yep.
tell them the other team did?
Watch this. Yeah, I didn't know what the other team did.
Puppet
Oh
master
my
over
god,
here.
dude.
I'm having the time of my life.
You're fucking...
Like pawns on the chessboard.
After this match, can you please put me in?
Sure. What do you want to play?
Anything.
Sleeper cell.
Okay. You can
No,
play me.
put me and Jaeger in, easy.
Yes. I am literally a Masters player, so not tilting anyone's team here.
I'm literally 2 ranks above, but hey, whatever.
2 ranks, you're like 300 SR, eat a dick.
Hey, yeah, but first is GM, then it's top 500. They have different symbols for a reason.
Yeah.
I only want top 500 because it's blue. And it looks pretty.
Jaeger, we have both support slots taken for tryouts today.
Yo, get fucked.
Rip.
Yeah.
Yo, put
But,
Jaeger and Sombra.
Yes.
No, that's a hard throw. That's a hard no. Sorry, Jaeger. But you should use
Sombra
going for
beats
main
Sombra.
tank. Next time.
Alright, I got you. Just so you know, my shatters are not good. I'm just gonna do a top-down view.
Oh, dude.
Nice.
What's his awareness?
7.
Nah, I'd say a solid 4. Yeah, it's being generous.
Let's see. Dude, this is such a standoff. Like, what the hell? Somebody make a move. Has anyone died yet? I like tapped out for a second.
Beavis died because he
Widow
was
did.
just standing still.
Widow beat Widow.
It took Jaden 3 shots to kill Beavis. And Beavis didn't turn around.
Oh, yeah,
He just like, that's why I said, what's your awareness?
damn did.
Listen, man, when you scope in, it's really hard to see what's going on.
Use your headphones, forehead.
Why do you think I spent $300 on headphones?
True.
Oof.
Yo, one of those 6x.
Lucia! Dude, Viva's popping.
Oh,
Awesome, we got ourselves a game.
Jaeger, when are your headsets coming in?
A couple weeks. The end of the month.
Really?
Yeah.
Means
Kind of annoying because I had to put like an adhesive on this headphone to use the mic. Luckily, I got a second like adhesive in the pack.
it's fine. You're gonna love the new headphones though. Oh. Nice
What?
barrier.
Oh, rip!
That was good
Rip
timing.
Jaden.
Really good.
Dude, he's got 3 headshots on him.
Jaden?
Yeah. He got 3 headshots on him, but he had beat.
Damn, what's happening here?
Oh, AR Widow.
Yeah.
Come on, though. Do they know that he's there? Does he blend in because he's blue on blue?
No.
I see red. Never mind. They haven't pushed a cart for 15 seconds. There you go.
They're evolving. They're learning.
Text me.
And tech support.
Oh no. Sent someone a gift. Never mind.
Oof.
Oh my god, dude, how?
Oh, flying blizzard bots.
This little match is intense.
This is what you wanted.
Yeah, this is actually what I wanted. All intended.
Frame rate. Fuck you.
I think I'm
Just
gonna
get better
throw a
frames.
map that's not OD. And
Kings Row.
oh god, no.
Yes. Oh, I love that
Oh,
map.
God.
My
Oof.
favorite map. But I love when you turn a setting off and then back on again and you gain better
Fucking
frames.
Junkertown.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
really
doing
sniper
Junkertown.
heavy.
Yeah. I'm such a hit scan favor. I haven't really even looked at the supports right now. I mean, I'm hoping Fusion has picked one.
Between
Zyko and
Zyko.
Poseidon.
it's definitely Zyko.
Definitely Zyko.
That's what I
Yeah.
could tell from the beginning. I immediately liked him more. in the
I liked
first
his
round.
aim better, but I couldn't tell if Poseidon was like, I don't know. I just can't tell what was going on with
But
him.
for Zyko Zen, he needs to work on his harmed orbs.
Oof. Get
Dude,
right.
Vive is doing alright. Viva's.
Yeah, he's actually doing alright as Widow. You know, I gotta say, he's really like making a huge against Jaden. He's probably just nervous, but we'll see.
I think it's funny. Poseidon's got a brand new mouse, doesn't even know what his DPI is, and tries out for a team. Oh no! Fuck you, Blizzard bots.
Огонь по готовности!
Fucking bots flying around.
Wait, how do you
the
miss that? Okay.
map. Getting in my way.
Dude, grab dragons, dude. Come on. Oof.
Ana executed for treason. The Overlord has deemed it okay. It's a good angle. It's good here.
Варигом выток! Огонь по готовности!
Yo, he heard him. He heard him. There's no way. Oh, okay.
No, oh my god, Jaden. What?
Viva's literally just turned around.
Dude,
Like, just
dude,
ignored
Viva's just like bought it out right there.
him. I don't know.
They didn't, but like Jaden like SMG'd him. I'll watch Jaden now.
Hey, that's a raven. I never
Oof.
Damn, he
seen
could've
you
died
before. Hey there, buddy.
Feels bad.
That's a crow. Never mind. Sneaky.
Варигом выток!
Oh, come on, Jaden. He's like standing
Dude.
still. Dude, come on. Oh.
Oh, dude. Come on, dude. You're
Yeah,
ARing.
sure.
Dude.
And...
The 2 kills he got were SMGs.
He was uncontested behind them and didn't do anything. Damn.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's my mom.
Don't forget the laundry.
Don't forget it. Laundry, dude. We'll get you.
Oh, why?
Ma, the meatloaf.
Oh, shit. No.
Uh-oh, you're lagging.
Ready for battle.
Oh, rip.
No, the Euros, I thought you were gonna lag out.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Or am I? Oh, no, my Overwatch let down. Yeah, fuck them.
Yeah, you're lagging hard in Discord. Fucking rip.
Okay.
One. Incoming.
They kept the same comp, even though I told them they didn't have to. Interesting.
You were onto something.
I do like running this though, on this map. If goats wasn't a thing.
Yeah. Can't wait for that brick rework.
Ooh, rip, dude. Dude, Jaden just won them that point.
He had to make up for his performance at the end of the last one.
Yeah. Alright.
Widow battle.
Yeah, Jaden's winning it this round. You guys definitely won it last round though. Oh, okay.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Oh, he should be hard scoping when lights are out like that. Careful. Oh, get wrecked. Okay, both Widows just got fucked in the ass.
Poor Jaden.
Oh, again.
I think we're gonna do Lijiang. Actually, no, that's like goats. Everybody's just gonna run goats. I'm gonna cry.
Are you seriously trying to pick maps that you can't run goats on?
Yeah, because I don't really. Well, actually, maybe. But if we do run goats, I feel like Fusion's team would win because Fusion would just communicate a lot better, right? I'll just stack it against Fusion. Yeah.
Handle it.
Well, Poseidon's nade land.
Uh,
Okay. Nope.
I'm trying to just keep the big picture here. I'm not really watching anyone in particular.
I actually like Poseidon's Anna. I don't know about his Zen yet. Indecisive.
Good fuck.
Fusion, what do you think of Poseidon's Anna?
I don't know, honestly. I haven't been spectating.
He's doing laundry.
No, I'm trying to still get rid of this motion sickness thing.
How,
Better.
dude?
Because I'm not in the game.
Oh,
Don't
okay.
be sick.
That's why.
Just watch from third person.
I'm spectating a top down right now.
They
Yeah.
have another blade, wow. Another nano.
I'm leaning towards Poseidon for Anna, Zyko for Zen.
Oh wow, actually I really want to see Poseidon's Ana with his shitty, crazy aim.
Yeah, can you watch it? Can you switch between Poseidon and Zen? Let me know which one you like better.
Yeah, I'll focus them right now.
I'm watching Zyko right now. It's
6, 7, 8.
Rip, dude.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Wait, who did he nade?
I think it's
I
a
mean, who
spectator
did he-
bug. He hit Ryan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I mean,
he's
who did he? Okay.
He's not lit up for some reason, that Ryan.
Yeah. I was like, did it deflected? Yeah,
it's someone that
Jaden's
died.
destroying this one. He's so aggressive. Yikes.
It's so crazy.
I like it.
I don't know if it's wireless interference, if it's wireless mouse, or is it just that nuts?
Did Beavis give up? Dude, come on. Oh my god.
This is gonna be a long one because we're not resetting.
God damn it.
We'll see. We're just supposed to run until like we don't have any more, so it's going until 10 at least.
Poseidon should have slept and grenaded that Hammond. That was beating. Poseidon's kind of looks kind of weird too. Maybe it's just spectating. Spectator mode. That's a good one.
Ooh. Ooh.
It's like, I don't know, like no matter what you say about his like, he's still landing shots, still like
Yeah.
getting picks, he's still landing sleeps. I just don't.
I'm watching Poseidon right now, and it's wobbly too.
Yeah, it might just be like spectator. It might just be because they're masters. I don't know, dude.
Maybe they played something too crazy high. It's complete opposite.
They're just
to me.
not as clean.
Yeah. Maybe they could each do a little more.
Okay.
Did he answer the Ryan? I can't even tell. No.
The ball didn't die!
I'm so lucky. We should punish that ball so hard.
Dude, they might not get it, dude. Oh.
Uh-oh, someone DC'd.
Ooh, bug jump. I'm
What's
calling
going
it. It's Angel.
Yeah.
Probably Angel. Yeah, it was DC's.
Angel Lick It 2. I don't even know how to...
Did you say lick it?
Angel Lick It 2. Lick It You.
Damn. Dude. They held? Holy shit. They held?
Oh shit.
They held?
Oh no, dude.
Oh, that's what he's doing. Never mind. Oh, there it goes.
Doesn't matter.
Wait, what's the pause?
Control Shift P. No, equal sign. Control Shift equal.
Play of the game.
Crab Dragons. Resident Sleeper.
High skill fog.
Oh wow, he popped off.
Oh wow, what a great play. Oh wow.
This
Oh,
Hami
wow.
just got executed.
Oh wow.
What was that? It's a 15-minute game, 17k heals. That's really good.